Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a beautiful 1964 Chevrolet C10 custom short bed truck. This truck was built 2 years ago and it still looks like brand new. You can see it's in black and the paint is really shiny and deep. Now our team wet sanded this truck and 5-stage polished it and it looks beautiful. Let's come up here, check out the bed. So it's got the small window as the 64s had. We got a nice oak hardwood bed, just beautiful. And here's your fender wells, they are stock and just beautiful. Here we got a nice billet cap here. Let's open that up. So you can see it has a fuel cell there. I believe it's a 13-gallon tank. And then come down here, let's check out that tailgate. You can see how shiny it is. It's got the hinges down there. It's Chevrolet embossed in the tailgate there. Nice tail lights here. They even have the Chevy bow tie in it. Look at that bumper. Looks like brand new. It's custom bumper. We got dual exhaust coming out the rear and it's built in the bumper. And this little round light here is your reverse lights. Very trick. As we make our way down here, I'm going to show you how wide these tires are. Wow. I believe they're 15 inches wide. Just massive tires. Let's take a look underneath here so you can see that beautiful fuel cell. The dual exhaust, it has exhaust wrap around the exhaust here, around the fuel cell. It's got a Ford 9-inch rear end built by John Industries in Utah, and it's got a 3.55 rear end. You can see it has dual exhaust. Those are Dynomax mufflers. And here's your suspension. It's beautiful underneath. The frame is beautiful. And it's built on a 1983 Chevy or GMC frame. So to make way for those wide tires, we got step side fenders that are mounted to the fleet side. So it looks like a dually, but they didn't actually make a dually in 1964. So that's really cool. Here's your wheels here. So it's an American Racing Torq thrust wheel, and look how deep it is. It's just beautiful. They're polished aluminum wheels. They're wrapped in Mickey Thompson tires. We got a 29 by 15 R15 on this. And we got the drum brakes in the rear here. See how beautiful that fender is. Here's the two fenders together to make way for those big tires. Let's check out the front wheel. So they got skinnies in the front, and they are Mickey Thompson as well. We also have disc brakes, and they're matching Torq thrust American Racing rims. Tire size for the front, right here, it's a 28 by 6 R15. So sticky Mickeys. Okay, let's make our way to the door panel here. So it's black interior. The builder tried to make it look like a 1964 SS Impala, so an SS truck. We got power windows here, so that's a nice trick custom. We got SS badge here, nice window crank here. We got the armrests here. Beautiful door panel. It's got carpet down here. Check out the door frame here. It's nice and solid all around the doors. Check the frame here. It's nice and solid again. Solid here. Nice and clean. Cab corners are great as well. We'll look underneath here so you can see the frame is beautiful. There's your headers peeking out there. And we'll take a look. So it has an EZ-TCU unit, so that's a transmission controller, and there's hookups for that as well. There's the box there. Nice carpet. This looks like brand new. Here's your seats. It's got power seats. They're Impala seats, and they're mounted on a Lincoln bottoms here, so you got power seats, and there's a heat hookup as well. And we'll scan the condition of the seat here so you can see how beautiful it is. Great. Let's fold this down here so you can see the seat back is nice as well. We got kicker speakers back here, and it's painted like a flat satin black all inside there. There's the roof of the cab, and we got nice visors. Dash looks beautiful. It's painted as well. Nice SS badge here with the beautiful SS trim there. There's your glove box. Not much of a glove box, more of a hidden feature. Pretty cool. Go ahead and close that door. And we'll take a look here so you can see that bed. Beautiful. Again, those fenders, door handles are nice, custom trim. Here's the top of the cab. Beautiful. Look at the shine in that paint. Front window looks great. Nice mirror. Here's your radio antenna. Doors. Make our way to the front here. Nice clean bumper there. Looks like brand new. Headlights. All the trim looks like brand new on this. Under the hood, it's painted nicely. You can see how nice and clean it is. The black paint actually shines so you can see the motor. And here's the motor itself. It's a 502 Chevy crate motor. This produces 508 horsepower from the crate. Wonderful. Sounds great. It's got headers, so it's got hooker headers that are ceramic coated. It's got a vintage air unit here, so it's got vintage air conditioning. We got the big aluminum radiator with electric fans down here. We got power steering on this, and power brakes. It's got a nice big Holley 4-barrel carburetor. There's your air cleaner. It's got a high-rise intake here. Those big valve covers. They're hooker ceramic headers on it, so really cool. Nice big springs there. I'm gonna go ahead and close the hood. Closes like an old truck does. I love that sound. And take a look at the paint on this. Just beautiful. See all the reflections in it. And you better believe this truck gets attention when you're driving it down the road. This would be a really cool shop truck. If you had a business, paint your name on the door. There's your front wheel there. And coming back to your rear wheel here. Just wide tires. You don't see a truck like this. It's very unique. Here's your door panel on this side. Looks beautiful. Even the armrest looks good. The trim looks nice. A little patina on this one here. Otherwise, it all looks great. Here's your power windows for both sides. Carpeted. And doors itself, nice and solid. Check out the jams over here. There's your VIN plate. Beautiful. Of course, the gas cap here, that's original, but it's been taken out. They left it there for vintage because the gas tank is in the rear. A little bit safer in the rear than behind the seats. And there's your speaker back here. We get in the truck now. Oh, I should show you the pedals first. So there's your pedals. And then again, the power seats on this side. And then nice wide bucket seats. I love the design, very 60s feel. Now we'll get in the truck. Show you the steering wheel. It's got a nice rubber steering wheel with SS in the center. Really cool steering wheel. It's got tilt column on this truck. It's got all Stewart Warner gauges. They're all brand new. So you got volts here, you got temperature. Here's your speedometer in miles per hour. And we have 494 miles on this truck. That's since the build. And then we have your tach, oil pressure, and your fuel gauge. And I love the trim down here. Very nice. There's your vents. There's your radio. So it's a retro sound radio. So it's actually digital, but it looks like an old stereo. There's your vintage air conditioning. So really cool. Down here we got the SS console from the Impala. There's your SS badges here. Does open up so you can put stuff, so it goes pretty deep in here. And here's your automatic transmission control. So it's paired to a 4L80E transmission with Overdrive. All right, let's go ahead and start this truck. So it's got a key, obviously. Fires right up. Turn on the headlights on this truck. And let's give it a couple revs. let's put it this way so you can see. Body rocks when you hit that. It's so cool. All right, let's make our way to the outside of the truck. Close that door there. Check out the headlights on this thing. What a cool truck. We make our way around. You hear this truck is loud, but not too loud, but enough to get attention. Wow. Again, that bed. Nice wide tires. Go into the back here. Dual exhaust. Listen to that idle. Wow. Such a cool truck. Look at this profile from the back. It's nice and low. It's got drop springs signal to the front. So cool. So this is a 1964 Chevrolet C10 short bed inside with set side fenders, 15-inch tires in the rear. Wow. Full custom truck with built in the last 2 years, only 494 miles on the build. What I'll show you down here, you can also see the headers over here, right behind the wheel. Oh, cool. They look like brand new. So, this is here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.